Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Justine. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I am excited to test out Lash Sensational Curvitude. This one's from Maybelline and it is new. I believe the formula might be the same as the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. I'm not 100% sure, but it has a new brush on it that's kind of curved. And I am a really big fan of the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. I actually wanted to go and pick a new one up, and this one is sort of curved, but this one is even more with that like curvature. It's called Lash Sensational Curvitude Curvy Full Fan Effect. Defined curved lashes and volumizing mascara. This is in Very Black, number 720. I haven't opened it yet, but you guys know I really love mascara. That's one of my #1 things on my channel. I love testing out mascaras. So let's get into this and see how it looks on my lashes. Alright, so I'm gonna kind of compare it to the original. See if we can do a side by side. The one on the top is going to be the original and the one on the bottom is the newer one. Now I do love the formula of Lash Sensational, so let's see if this brush makes any sort of difference. I do find that the combination of a formula and the brush kind of play huge parts in how mascara works out. It's not usually one or the other, in my opinion. So let's coat this really well and put this on my eyes. Already I can tell that I really do like this brush. It's going through my lashes and kind of separating them as it coats, which is what I love. I don't really like a brush that just clumps it all over and doesn't separate as it builds on itself. So I really do like this, but as you guys could tell from this side to the other, it does volumize, and it didn't take a very long time to get here. It was maybe 30 seconds or less, which is wonderful. This brush makes it really easy to get the bottom. It fits it quite perfectly where you can just wiggle it down and you're set, which is awesome. Alright guys, so that is how it applied. I really love this mascara. I already loved Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect, but this has really stepped it up. Just the brush is so easy to use. This one's like a finer, curved type of applicator to where it's just very easy to get underneath as well. And the formula is more of like a drier type of formula. It's not wet. It's definitely not heavy. You can't feel it on your lashes at all. One thing I did notice is I forgot to do my bottom lashes before I did my top. Usually I do the bottom first, and I didn't get anything on my lids, so it seems like it dries pretty quickly. Yeah, it's really dry now. So it's dry, but it's not crunchy. It feels like my lashes. So that is a huge plus as well. I really like this. I'm super excited for it. So let's hope that it holds out for the whole day. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I forgot to do a check-in when I first tried out this mascara. So I've been trying it for a couple of days. I really like it. So I used it today just by itself without putting on any eyeliner or anything else on my eyes, and I feel like I wanted to do like a quicker look today, and that's all I needed. It's amazing. I absolutely love this mascara so much. So I'm going to go ahead and check in at the end of this day so you guys can see, but since I've been wearing it, there's nothing that gets underneath my eyes. It lasts all day. It's not irritating to my eyes. I'm wearing contacts today. It's just very buildable, very lightweight. But you guys can let me know what you guys think about it. So I will check in with you guys in a little bit. I think this mascara held up really well. I do enjoy it. It is very lightweight. It is a thicker type of consistency. It's a little bit more similar to It Cosmetics Superhero, that mascara, except for it doesn't clump. This one is one that I would recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today, and we will see you in the next video.